All right, Ronnie. So development's saying that we have a green light. SDK9 will be Vista compatible. Not going to have a problem achieving that.
Perfect. SDK users are going to love that.
Yeah, but not as much as the productivity enhancements. Did you know that most of our users probably don't even realize that there's over 20 objects that you can create in SDK with probably something on the order of 50 plus methods to create all those objects? You know what we've done in SDK9? We've created a new object tool that it takes the most common objects that are used in analysis and the methods made to use to create those objects, put them in a single panel, present it like a menu. Now you just open that one panel, decide which objects you need, how best to create them for your scenario. Boom, you're done. Populating your scenario like ordering food off a menu. You know what else we did? Toolbars. We've taken all those toolbars that have been kind of overpopulated at the top of the application, difficult to find which one you're looking for. We've moved them to the windows they affect. You need to find a way to, the button that's going to reset your 3D view in the 3D window. Don't go looking up there at the top of the application bar. That toolbar is going to be right there in the 3D window. Look no further there. Hit your button, you're done. Those types of things are going to let people fly through their analysis now in SDK. Much more important than Vista compatibility.
All right. Vista might not be the greatest thing, but anyway, you've done a great job here. So for our marketing collateral, we now have the footnotes that we can put at the bottom of the page for what makes SDK9 great.
Footnotes? Really?
Right.
Really? So what do you think should be at the top then?
Are you joking? Look at Astrogator. The satellite mission planning tool now has a built-in optimization algorithm. Okay. Then if you look at Aircraft Mission Modeler too, we've added more robust aerodynamic and propulsion effects. So you can do things like takeoff from a carrier, vertical takeoff and landing, even dynamic rerouting.
That's great stuff. And again, it's going to help show why SDK is in a class of its own with dynamic analysis. However, these productivity enhancements we're putting in SDK9, they're going to let people fly through their analysis and get to the results quicker. You know what we've done? We've taken the most common analysis tools that we have, things like coverage and access. We've broken them off objects altogether, made them completely object independent. So now you can start your analysis by saying, what is the result I want? Picking the right analysis tool to do that, and then deciding which objects are going to contribute to that analysis. Then you can change the objects in the middle of it. You can go back and forth, swap out objects, all from the same panel. That type of workflow is going to let people get the results much, much faster, and it's going to give them a lot more time to use those features you're talking about.
I wish someone was here to see you in your state of delusion here right now. All right, my turn. What about user interface plugins? The chance you have to now build your own custom user interface, your own GUI right inside of SDK, your own toolbar, so you can actually match to your own workflows.
That's great stuff, great stuff. I'm not arguing that. I'm just saying productivity enhancements, they're much more important.
Right, so functionality enhancements and then productivity.
Nice try, you got it backwards. First the productivity enhancements, then the new technical capabilities we've put in.
Nah, I disagree. And you know what? We got to settle this.
All right. So what do you suggest?
How about at the users conference, we let the users decide.
Okay, sure. We'll ask them, let them tell us. And when you find out you're wrong, guess what? You're going to buy me dinner.
Ooh. All right, you're on.
Okay. You know what? Chicago has great deep dish pizza, and it's going to taste even better when it's on your dollar.